Good morning. As promised, hey, we're going to continue going through direct objects. We'll be going through them all week. We got a couple little things to learn about direct objects through the week. We introduced them yesterday. We're going to keep going through them today. And I'm also going to give you kind of a warning with direct objects, an error a lot of people make. So let's kind of review. Again, you have this sheet in your paper packet because this is not in your third grade English book. But in my opinion, this sheet explains it really well. You can't take a shortcut with direct object. You can't automatically find the direct object. You have to start, which is again why we went through subjects, verbs, and now direct objects. You got to find the subject, then the verb, then the direct object. So in this sentence, Mom ate cookie, you start by asking yourself what the subject is, or who or what did something. Mom. Now find the verb. What did Mom do? Ate. Now you ask yourself, Mom ate whom or what? And now she didn't eat anybody, so let's say what. Mom ate what? Cookies. There you go. Cookies is a direct object, but you got to do that three-step process in order to get there. Just like cooking macaroni and cheese. You can't just put the noodles and cheese in and then eat it. You're going to be crunching and breaking a lot of teeth. You got to boil the water, then you got to, anyways. But you got to follow the steps. You got to follow the process in order to find the direct object. Here again, sentences that are a little bit longer, don't get confused, right? Our cat, who or what did something? Sorry, our cat caught a mouse. Who or what did something? Cat. What did the cat do? Caught. That's the verb. Caught what? Mouse. Mouse is the direct object. The boss saw her downtown. Who or what did something? The boss. What did the boss do? Saw. Saw whom? Her. I know we don't know her name. That's okay. All we need to know is who the boss saw, and it's her. That's a direct object. Here's a good one this morning, and I like it because it's a little bit longer sentence. You got to really ask yourself, okay, who or what did something? I. What did I do? I walked. Walked what? Now, you got to think. Did you walk the dog or did you walk the morning? I think you probably figured out dog, right? I walked the dog. Dog is a direct object, which is why it's underlined. You can't walk the morning. This morning is still very much part of the sentence, but it just simply says when. It's not a direct object. We didn't ask ourselves when to find the direct object. We asked ourselves who or what after the verb. Who or what did something? I. What did I do? I walked. Walked what? The dog. Now, here's a good example of what is not a direct object, what confuses a lot of people. A lot of people will take this sentence, I walked this morning, and say, whoever did something, I. What did you do? I walked. Walked what? Morning. No. No. Not every sentence has a direct object. Going back to what we learned weeks before, every sentence has a subject and every sentence has a verb. The sentence does not have to have a direct object. In this case, there's no direct object because you can't walk the morning, and it doesn't answer whom or what. It does answer when. That's a whole nother subject on adverbs, but we're not on adverbs yet. We're on direct objects. So don't just automatically think, okay, it's I. What did I do? I walked. Walked morning. Boom. Done. Go. Got to be careful with that. A sentence does not have to have a direct object, and sometimes when there is extra words like this, you got to really ask yourself, what did I walk? Did I walk the dog or did I walk the morning? And I think this sentence makes it obvious you walked the dog, right? So, just an error to point out here with direct objects that a lot of people get caught up on. Here again, I purposely had these for a little bit longer sentences so you don't get confused, but you always got to ask yourself, who or what is the subject and verb doing? I eat tacos for dinner. Who or what did something? I. What do I do? I eat. Eat what? Tacos. Tacos. How about this one? I call my sister on the phone. Who or what did something? I. What did I do? I call. Call whom? Sister. You got to really ask yourself, what the verb is doing or whom the verb is calling in this case. Are you calling the phone or are you calling your sister? Yeah, calling your sister makes a lot more sense, and that's correct. That's a direct object. I do my homework alone. Who or what did something? I. What do? I do. Do what? Homework. That's what's being done. That's why you got to find the subject and the verb, because that's going to help you find the direct object with who or what the subject and verb are doing. Here's your assignment. You have 12 things here. Simply put, you got to write the direct object in the line. Ridley buried his bone. Who or what did something? Ridley. What did Ridley do? Buried. Buried what? Bone. Bone is a direct object. That goes here. Now, there's going to be some ones that are a little bit trickier going on, but if you follow those 3 steps, find the subject, who or what did something, find the verb, what they do, find the direct object, who or what, after the verb. One more together. Duffy chased the cat. Who or what did something? Duffy. What did Duffy do? Chased. Chased what? Cat. Cat is the direct object. Fine, folks, this is your assignment for Tuesday. I want to wish you Lord's blessings as you praise your Savior.